There are also pre-populated sizes for these avatars. The avatars that are given to us by Clo are not a standard size. You can check their measurements by going up to Avatar and selecting Avatar Editor. And when you select that, it pulls up her measurements in the right-hand window. Obviously, these are editable. I'm not going to get into how and why you would do that here, but you can see what her measurements are in basic terms. So her bust circumference, her waist, her low hip. These do not correspond to the dress forms that we have or other standard measurement forms that we've got. So I tend not to like these very much. If we get out of this editor and go back to our 2D pattern window, we can instead look for ways in which you can change the size of your avatar to more closely look like those that are in the dress mannequins or the dress forms, and have measurements that are more familiar. And so within our avatar folder, within the female avatar folder, you can go to size. There are a number of options here. There's US ASTM, Missy Curvy, Missy Straight, Petite Curvy, Petite Straight, and so on. There's even a tall. There's European standards. In this case, I'm going to select Missy Straight, and within that, there are actual individual sizes. So a Missy Straight size 8 would correspond to a size 8 dress form, relatively speaking, and you can do measurements and compare it to the actual avatar editor measurements when you get a chance. So if I double click on this, you can see her actual shape is going to change. Okay, and so now her measurements should more closely look like those on a dress form. So her bust is 36, waist is almost 30, and low hip is 38. This is a little bit of a bigger size 8, so a 6 might be closer. Click on that, and you can see what the measurements are instead. 35, 28.5, and 37. That looks more like a size 8. In any case, it would be my preference that we'll be using these ASTM size measurements and their corresponding slopers for a lot of our dress design. So be prepared to be using this new size range here instead of the given ones by Clo.